Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know how loud this bike is showing up, but it's pretty loud. And if you guys... Alright, maybe that's better. If you guys have been on this channel for a while, you know that's my KX250. It's a 2000 model, 2-stroke KX250, and I just started it. It's colder than hell out here. It's about 38. It's still pretty much still winter. It's pretty cold right now. That's why it's not idling right. But yeah, I just rebuilt this, if you guys didn't know, and I put a Pro X piston in it, and I sent the cylinder off to be replated at PowersealUSA. There we go. Didn't want her to die on me. But yeah, it's been running for about a month now. Started about a month ago for the first time. I just haven't really had a time to come out here and make a video for you guys. It's pretty much ready to ride for spring. All I've got to do is get a new front tire for it, and then that'll be it. Something's a little loose, I can hear it, but it's alright. But yeah, just letting her warm up for a minute, then I'll give her a few revs. The power valve's a little bit sticky just because I never really put that much oil on it. But as the oil gets pumping through the exhaust system, all that used oil and crap, it'll get a little better. It's echoing because my neighbors decided to build a house, so, oh well. Let's see how warm it is. Not that warm yet. That throttle is even more touchy than it used to be. It's crazy. You can tell it's got that compression because it's a lot pingier than it used to be. I hope that's not water or coolant. Oh god, it kind of looks like it's burning coolant. I don't know. It don't smell like it's burning coolant, but there's a lot of crap pulling up on the pipe. I think that's just oil, but I'm not really sure. I haven't really ran it that hard to clear the pipe out yet, just because it's kind of still breaking in. But I hope that's just oil. It's getting nice and warm now. God damn, that thing's loud. Let's give it a good rev. That thing is running crisp, real crisp. Damn, that thing runs good. I'm honestly pretty proud of myself. I'm just saying. because that's the first bike I've really ever completely rebuilt. I've never actually rebuilt the bottom end. Still haven't done that. I probably won't, just because it looks a little intimidating. But yeah, I mean, it started right up within the first few kicks. Well, after I took this out, I forgot I had the little exhaust wash plug in it, and I was wondering why it wouldn't start. But after I took that out, it took about 3 kicks and it started right up. A lot of crap on the exhaust, and yeah, that's just oil. Okay, that's just a bunch of oil, and that'll clear out once I ride it. I've already rode it, as you can see. That's why it's so muddy. It was completely clean when I rebuilt it, and now it's all muddy already, because it's not bad out here right now, but it was real bad when I rode it. And it's been pretty dry this week. Haven't got any snow, haven't got much rain. And we were getting a bunch of rain and crap last couple weeks. But there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, please. And if you're new to the channel, or if you want to support my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Hopefully there'll be a few more without a 1 month gap in between. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great day.